This is Farabi and Mr. Selim and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you. fsdfreelancer.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of work history and lot of client we are working with. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you'll find there are lot of client meeting we have performed and we are working with. And if you go next, then you will find more and more buyer meeting. This guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 US work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA. This guy is also from USA. This guy is from France. And maximum of our buyer from USA. So if you go to our team sections, then you'll find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team. Almost there are 300 plus freelancer working in our team and they all are expert. They are working in our agency and they also work beside Fiverr and Upwork also. And Mr. Abdul Salim is one of them. And if you go next, then you will find more and more freelancer working in our team. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. On this channel, we have gained 196K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.4 million views, 8 lakh 13K views, 5 lakh 36K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency, ma'am. So, ma'am, recently our team member Abdul Salim has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page issue problem on your channel. If you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, ma'am. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
So what do I need to know? What am I paying for? What does it take? How does it work?
Okay. So I will tell you everything in details. So basically, we will do SEO for your YouTube videos. SEO means search engine optimizations. We will optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions. And when we optimize your video, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will get more organic views. And we will research also high volume rank tag for your videos. And high volume rank text means which tag has high search volume, but competition is low. That type of text, according to your niche, we will optimize. And when you put that text to your videos, then your video will go on top. So that is our work process. Basically, we optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we research high volume rank tag. This is our work process. And now
So
I am
what
telling,
is
yeah.
okay? Yeah.
Now,
So are you going to in any way alter the content of my video, or will you alter anything that is already on my channel? Do I have to give you access to my channel, or how does it work?
okay. For starting the work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize your each of the on-page SEO things from our side. So if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another method. You just send your video link to us, then we will optimize from our side and we will make a report sheet and we hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste data by yourself to your video. Okay, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So my second question is, um, so do I get to see it happen first? Like, do you have to do one first for me to see before? Because, like I said, I don't know you guys at all. So do I get to see one happen or I just have to pay you now, then you get it done? How does it work? Would you
Okay.
do a sample for me first? Would you do one of my videos for me first? Because I am really trying to build my channel organically. That's why I've not responded to any, because I think you sent me emails also last year. That's why I've not responded to any email. But then again, if it's something that is workable, I want to know how it works.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
want anything that is just numbers. I want it to be organically built. So are you going to do a sample for me first with one of my videos? Then I see the progress on how it works then before I am certain that, okay, I think I want to go down this path.
Okay, ma'am. Have your proposal is sounds good. So I am telling you our prices and packages. We have two packages for YouTube SEO. One is weekly and another is monthly. In weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120. In monthly package, we will optimize you 30 video and it costs $300. But as you said earlier that you want to take one or two video as a test basis, so no problem. You can take, this is my suggestion, you can take at least our 5 videos as a test basis. And if you are satisfied with our work, then you can go for a weekly or monthly package. But if you only do your one video, you cannot judge our work, ma'am.
Okay. So I have to do like all the videos because some of my videos, you only send me videos that don't have views. Can you take a look at videos that have multiple views and let me know what the report is? That's another question I wanted to ask, but I think I forgot. There is a video of mine that have over 3,000 views. Can I see what the SEO report is on it? And let me compare it to what you send me with just the minimum views. Because I know it's just very natural that YouTube, some would have lots of views and some would have less views. It's just the way it is. The same way on Instagram, some of your pictures will have more likes than some others. So I want to see what the report, like the report that Salim sent to me of my video that I did with someone. I want to see that same report of the one that has a lot of views. What is the SEO compared to that one, like the one he shared with me? Because I
Okay,
understand
okay.
that really I'm looking forward to getting monetized on my YouTube. Is a target for me, is a goal, but I want to understand what exactly you'll be working on. Are you going to be working on my videos that already have I have just one video that have over 11,000 views. Are you going to be working on that? Or you're just working only on videos that have less views? How does it work?
Okay, ma'am. My suggestion is you can take your 5 videos and you take
Mhm,
some who perform better and take
mhm,
two some perform not better, and
mhm,
mixed up you can
mhm.
take. And when you we do SEO, then you can judge. You can judge which,
Compare.
yeah, you can compare.
Okay.
And after that, if you are interested, then if you allow us, then we will do SEO for your 5 videos. And our payment system is, ma'am, when you hire us for the work, then you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work.
So how
And
much am I paying for 5 videos?
5 video is $50. So at first you have to pay $25 and less rest of the $25 after completing the work.
So when do I know that the work is completed? How long does it take?
Takes 5 days minimum.
Okay, so you're saying that within 5 days, the views on my video will increase?
Yeah, you will not get instant views, ma'am, because SEO is organic process. It takes some
Okay.
times to get result because it's organic.
Okay. All right, that works. I'll start with 5 video. You can just send me an email. Then I will send you the links. I'm not yet comfortable to give you my login details, so I'll send you the links of my videos, the ones I want you to work on. Then we go from there.
Okay, okay, ma'am. And for getting payment, we support PayPal, Payoneer, Western Union, and Remitly. So all of our details will send through your Gmail, and you just send your 5 video links. Then we'll start working, and we will try our best to grow your channel because, ma'am, we are not a small agency. We work with lot of clients, and our client satisfaction is our first priority.
Thank you so much. So I would expect the email of the comparison of a video that's doing well and another one. Then I would send you. Then just send me an email. Then we'll be able to follow up from there. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.
You're welcome.
Yeah.